My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today we are going to be doing an Ulta and Target haul. Yay! Just got back from Ulta and Target, so I wanted to show you what I got. I went specifically for a Tarte Shape Tape, but I ended up walking out with a few more things than that. And at Target, I went specifically for one thing and walked out with a few things from there as well because there was sales. You can't resist a sale. I can't anyway. All right, so let's get started. Here's some of the stuff. All the stuff isn't in here from Target because I've already given some of it to my daughter that I got for her. And here's the Ulta stuff. It's not a big bag, but I got what I wanted. All right, so let's start off with, what should we start off with? Let's start off with Ulta. Okay, so I went in specifically for the Tarte Shape Tape. I've been hearing so much about it that I just have to try it. So yeah, I got it in the color, let me see, I need my magnifying glass. I got it in the color Light Sand. I didn't want it too bright, but I didn't want it too dark either because I want it not just to conceal but also to brighten my eyes. So I got it a little, well actually quite a bit lighter than what my skin color is. But let me see. So here it is. Yay! And they're having a sale right now, guys, through the end of March for you buy the foundation, which is $39, and you get the Shape Tape for $15, but I didn't buy the foundation. But this is what the color looks like. It's pretty light, but like I said, I want it to brighten and conceal. So yeah, man, the consistency is so thick. So I am so glad I got that. I got this. Finally, I've been wanting it for a couple of years and I finally got it. So yes, awesome. I can't wait to try this. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to try everything that I'm going to be showing you from Ulta. Let me know if you want me to do it in a like a get ready with me or something. I can do that tomorrow and put that up. So yeah. And I also got some, I'm always looking for the perfect nude color lipstick and also lip liners. So I got these. Let me see what colors they are. They look very similar, but it's because I can't find the perfect color that I'm looking for. This one is SPL 810 and it's in the color Natural. So this is Natural. Maybe I should do a swatch of it, huh? Okay, so here's what Natural looks like. I don't know if you can see that. There's Natural. I like it. They didn't have a tester there, so I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not, but I like it. Let's see what these are. Okay, so the next one that I got is, it's this one right here, and it's in the color SPL 858 and it's a nude pink. So let's put that next to this one. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. I love it. I don't know if you can see it. It's so pretty. I think this might be one of my favorites. Okay, the next one is this one, the last one. And let's see what the color is. It's SPL 849 Beige. So let's put, I'm going to put that next to this one to see what the difference is, if there is. Oh, there is a difference. This one has more of an orangey undertone to it, and this has more like a pink undertone to it. I like all three. This one looks more like my natural lip color probably. Well, that one or this one, I don't know, but I like them all, so yay. And these were normally $3.99. They were on sale for $2.99 right now at Ulta. Let me see. What's next? Oh, next, I've been wanting to try this. My daughter says it's her favorite bronzer. Plus, I've been hearing a lot of people loving this bronzer. It's by Benefit and it's the Hoola bronzer. I just bought the mini one just because I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. So, oh, it comes with a little brush. That is so cute. I did not know that. And there's what it looks like inside. Has a little mirror. Let me see, how do you open this? Ooh, I think I'm going to like this color. Look at this little brush. It's so adorable. And there's the mirror. So let me try this. Ooh. And where should I try it? Maybe I should just try it on. Ooh, my daughter was right. One swipe, and my word, a lot of payoff with this color. Wow, I have to buff it out because you can really see it. Wow. Whoa, I think this is my new fave. Okay, I'm always saying that you can get drugstore dupes and stuff, but this is so awesome. I love it. Okay, wow, that's intense. I didn't mean to have that much on, but oh my word. Okay, so there's that, and because I bought that, let me see, I got some freebies. So one of the freebies I got, oh wait, I bought another Benefit product, and I've been wanting to try this, so I bought it in the mini size, and it's the Professional, and my daughter has tried it as well, and she says it looks like your face is Photoshopped. So I've been wanting to try this, so yay, and it's the mini. So because I bought those two Benefit products, I got a freebie, yay, I got a little gift. And I already saw what it is at the store, so let me, it's cute. It's adorable. Look, you can already see stuff going on in there, can't you? Okay, so here it is. It's a little makeup bag, and it has glitter in it and water. Isn't that just adorable? And it says Benefit. And yeah, there's a lot of room in there. Look at that. And you'll be able to see the makeup that you have in there because it's see-through on the bottom. How cool is that? This is an awesome bag for traveling. Yay! Freebies. Who doesn't love freebies? Okay, so there's that. And I wasn't really intending to buy this today, the next thing that I'm going to show you, but I've been wanting it. It's new. It's the highlighter by Amrazi. I think that's her name, Amrazi. So it's Anastasia. Is it Anastasia? Anastasia? I don't know. Anastasia? So, oh my word, I tried the tester, you guys. It is so gorgeous. Oh my word. And you can tell that it's of high quality. Even it's like heavy and it's so pretty. The packaging is so pretty. Oh my word. And I don't think it has an actual color to it. I think it's the only one by Amrazi. No, I don't think it has an actual color to it. But let's try it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Guys, the camera is not doing it justice. Oh my goodness, it looks like desert. You know how it has the waves on the desert, like when you watch movies and it shows you a scene of the desert waves. Oh my goodness, that's what that is looking like. Let's try this. Even though I said I wasn't going to try, but oh my, well, let me try it like this first. So there it is, and where can we put it? OMG, that is so pretty. So, so pretty. Okay, let's see what it looks like on my face, even though I already have some highlighter on. Oh my goodness. Ooh-wee, that is so pretty. So pretty. Oh my word. So this was, I think, 26 or 29. Look at that. Look at that glow compared to this side. Oh my. I don't think the camera is really showing the glow that I'm seeing. Oh my. So pretty. Any high points of your face that the sun would normally show is where I tend to put my highlighter. Oh my. Okay, let me see. Where else? Okay. Oh my. Look at that. I don't think the camera is doing it justice at all. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna have to definitely do a look tomorrow for you guys, because I don't think the fact that I already had highlighter on, it's not doing it justice as to what I'm seeing in the mirror. Okay, I don't want to make this too long. I'm already at 11 minutes, oh my word. And because I bought that highlighter, I got freebies. Oh wait, I got this freebie too from Benefit because of buying the Professional and the Hoola bronzer. I got this too. It's Watts Up, like light watts, Watts Up, and it's a highlighter as well. So it's a little teeny tiny little one in there. My daughter Finesse says she has it and that she likes it. So this is a liquid highlighter. Okay, so because I got that Amrazi highlighter, I got a little freebie. It's a mirror and a lippy. So let's look at that. I love living in San Antonio because Ulta is literally like 1 mile away. So I went to the Alamo Ranch Ulta because that's the area that I live in, is Alamo Ranch in San Antonio. And yeah, so oh my goodness, this is such a pretty color. Let me try this on. What color is it? Kristen Lip Gloss is all it says. So let's see what it looks like. Wow, it's like the same color as my lip liner that I have on right now. I like it. I like how it smells. It smells like candy. Ooh. Oh, I also meant to tell y'all that I cut my hair. My son cut my hair because I still had a lot of dry ends from when I dyed my hair silver. I had to bleach it 5 times to get all the dark out. But yeah, so hopefully my hair will grow a lot faster now that I've trimmed it. And so let's see what the mirror looks like. Oh, nice. It's got a regular and then it's got a zoomed in, so that is nice. I'm keeping this in my purse for sure. Or keeping it right here so that it's quick and handy to just pick up and use. Awesome! Ooh, that is way too close. I don't think I need to see myself that close. All right, well, I love everything that I got from Ulta. That is amazing, yay! So yeah, let me know down below if you want to see me using the Tarte Shape Tape with no makeup on. We'll do that. Well, I'll put foundation on and then I'll do the Shape Tape so you can see how it blends. I've got a feeling I'm gonna barely just need to put hardly none on because it's so thick and it just like, I don't know, it just seems like it's gonna be really, really full coverage. So yay! All right, so there's Ulta. Now let's get into Target. So I bought quite a bit of things at Target. Let's start off with my clearance item. We love football. We love the Seattle Seahawks, so I bought this because winter is going out and spring is coming. This was on sale. It says touchdown. It's a large because I wanted it to be nice and baggy on me, and I got it for $5.98. It was originally, oh, it's not telling me. It's covered, but I don't know. Probably 20 bucks or so. So anyway, I got that. And I also got 2 of these because we love the Gilmore Girls in this house. So I got this one for my granddaughter, Danielle, my oldest granddaughter. It says Gilmore Girls, and I love it because it's short in the front, long in the back. So I got her a small. And they didn't have medium, they only had large. So I got myself one too, and that's what I'm wearing right now. So yay! So we got that. And then these were on sale. These are normally $12. I think I got them for $6. These are leather caps here. So I got one in black and I got one in my, yeah, they were $6.48, on sale for $6.48. So I got one in black for those days where don't know what to do with your hair or it's raining or something. So here it is in black. And I don't think I have a hat face, but sometimes I wish I had a hat for rainy days when my hair gets really frizzy. And here it is in the blush pink color. So yeah, nice. I like it. All right, so I got those. And then when I went to Target, we went for Finesse to find some clothes. And so she found one little dress. And of course, I found stuff too. But I wanted to go to Target for one thing specifically. Let me grab it really fast. I saw this and I fell in love with it, and so I had to go back to get it. I love this handbag. Oh my goodness. It looks really washed out in camera. In person, it's such a pretty blush color. So it's got the strap to hold over your shoulder, but then it's got just the handles as well. This opens up right here. See? Nice. I don't know what the company is. But anyway, it was $39, wasn't on sale, but that's a great price. It looks very high-end, so I love it, but yet you're not paying a high-end price because it's from Target. So it's very spacious inside. It's got a pocket there, and it's got a zipper pocket there. And then on this side, of course, it's got a pocket there and two more pockets there, and then like for a stylus or a pen or something, it's got a middle one there as well. So yay! And it's very roomy down below. You can see, look how wide it is. Awesome. So I came for this bag specifically, but then when I was there in the handbag section, I saw this on sale. Isn't that just so cute? And it's got a little change purse. So this was normally $40. I got it for $27. So it's nice and roomy inside as well. A zipper over here, two pockets over there, and lots of space. Look how wide it is. Cute. Oh, and I forgot to show you that. A zipper in the back. So yay! So yeah, that's what I got from Target and Ulta, and I'm just so excited to try the Tarte Shape Tape. More than anything, that's what I'm excited about. And I love this highlighter. I love it. I love it. I definitely think it's worth the $27, $28, and that's not even very expensive. If you consider some of the ones that are out there for $40, $50, this gives you a lot of color payoff. It's just, you barely swipe it and you can see it. Look at that. Look how glowy I am. Alrighty guys, so let me know down below if you would like me to try the makeup on as a get ready with me or something, and I will do that for you guys. Alrighty, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.